Hey, sixth graders, this is your math practice pages. So on this page, it says that you need to write the correct unit to measure each on the line. So the first one says a professional football player has a mass of about 110, and then you can add the unit that you think is correct. So if you think it's kilograms, or if you think it's whatever you think the correct answer is for how much you would measure each of these objects. So a banana has a mass of about 150. What unit would we use to measure that? Okay, you're going to do that for all 10 of these on this page here. And then on the second page, you're going to choose the most sensible weight by moving the highlighted box over your answer. So the first example says a box of cereal is about, is it about 450 grams, or is it about 27 grams? Which one of these do you think is the most sensible weight to measure each of these things? So then the second one, a can of fruit, you're going to decide which one you think is the most sensible. You're going to click on the highlighted box and you're going to drag it to the one that you think is the most sensible. You're going to complete that for each of these 6 questions. And then on the bottom it says record the best unit to measure each. So what do you think the best metric unit is to measure your weight? What do you think the best metric unit is to measure your weight? And what do you think the best metric unit would be to measure a pencil? Okay, what do you think the best metric unit would be to measure the weight of a pencil? All right, if you have any questions, you can always click on the envelope in Schoology and send a message to your teacher, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Have a great day. Bye.